Welcome back, people. And yeah, right now we have a tutorial again on how to find an instrumental or beat map tempo inside a Reaper. Seeing? Yeah, we have a beat map of a tempo, how to find the BPM of a tempo inside a Reaper. People, it's very easy and it's very easy to set up the tempo inside a Reaper. See? Alright, so right now we are Reaper. I don't know what version is this is have here, but yeah, so I'm gonna drag the instrumental into there. See, drag the instrumental in there. So the first time you drag the instrumental, you have to put on the metronome. Put on the metronome. This is the metronome here. I don't know what version you have for Reaper. You know what I mean? And you look for the tempo. First begin, you listen to see if the lines is lined up on the grid, the rhythm. See, I'm using a reggae rhythm. Listen to it. Right now it's showing 120 beat per minute. That's not the BPM, people, you know what I mean? Seeing, the first thing you have to do is, before, click on file to get the tempo or the instrumental. You have to click on file. You have to make sure you click on file and go down to project settings. That's right. After you click project settings, you have to change this from beat position to time. Every time you open up and you want to do a mix inside a Reaper, put it on time and click the save as default project setting. So every time it open up, it always go be on time. Remember that, people, you know what I mean? So yeah. After you do that now you go back and listen to the rhythm. Seeing? You go back and listen to the rhythm. Seeing? And you have to like use shortcuts, You're looking for the first downbeat, just like what I show you in Acid Pro. Always look for the first downbeat. Look for the first downbeat. So listen to the track. Right. Take off the metronome for now, because I cannot trim off now, Seeing? The first downbeat, you have to click on this press thing, because once when you keep this on, when you keep the grid on, it's gonna be snapping the grid. But right now you don't want it to snap the grid. You want to bring the cursor, click on the cursor close to the line, and you want to zoom out. Right? This is the downbeat right here. Seeing? So you when you click zoom out and then press M on the keyboard. You get a M is for marker. Seeing? Right? We're looking for a 4-bar loop. See, we're looking for a 4-bar loop. Alright? Then you click on, press play, and you're going to listen for the 4-bar. Listen to 4-bar. And with the 4-bar and the next beat drop, that's where you want to put the next marker on. Listen. 1, 2, 3. Right? You see what the roll is? You see what the roll is? From around here the roll is. Listen to the roll. That's the 4th beat. Right. So you want to zoom out. Press back the grid line and you zoom out. You zoom out. You zoom out with if you have a mouse, the mouse scroll, you can zoom out. Roll. Right here is the beat. The beat gonna start in again. So you press the M on the keyboard and then you zoom back in. See? And then in between it, all you have to do is double click it. And the timeline, the loop gonna play. So if you're hearing a 4-bar loop, if it's looping consistent, that means you have it correct. Listen. If you look back, there is a consistent loop. Listen. to the loop. Listen to the loop. I forget to press the loop just now, you know. See? The roll, when you hear that roll, then you know that is the fourth bar. So we have it correct. Then now, how to find the tempo of the beat. You right click and you go down to set tempo time selection set because remember you don't have it, you don't mark it already. So you hit the set project tempo time selection, the first one, and you're gonna change into 48. We know that it right now it's in half time, so we don't need it to be in half times, right? So if you listen to it, you're gonna play. Right? You stop it right here. You know what I mean? We're gonna check it back. Hit right click. Right? We don't want it to be in 48. See? The next one you have to go is the second line. Go to the second line, set project tempo with new time signature. Right now it's on 1 bar. Right now you need to change it into the, let's count it. 2, right? If we count to 3, we went to 4. So the tempo, the tempo is 86.35. Press OK to confirm it, right? Because we did a 4-bar loop. See? If you listen to it now, if you listen to it, you're gonna be, all you have to do is to get it on the grid line. You uncheck it and you zoom out to the bar. Right? You press back thing so you could be locked in. See? And then you zoom back out and you should hear a consistent you should hear a consistent loop. See? Listen to it now, people. Listen to how it's sung, you know what I mean? It should be right on the grid line now. Let's see if it's on. Alright, we don't want it to be on the. We need to be on let's put it at 3.1. Right? Alright, we put it at 3.1. See, listen how the beat song. See, everything is lined up. Listen how the thing line up. Right now it's line up. 86.3, 86 point is the beat. That's a nice reggae beat, people, you know. You see that? It's consistent, you know what I mean? So remember, you follow the steps of what I teach you, you know what I mean? Follow the steps, you know. So right now it's locked in on the grid at, if you press back the metronome, you're gonna see it gonna be syncing. Press it off, you know, because I really hate it so good, you know. So the beat starts at 7.1. See? Yeah, so in that way, when it's locked in on the beat, you could drag a vocal now and it should be locked in on the mix, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys kind of understand how to beat match inside a Reaper. So right now we're keeping it under 10 minutes. So I want you guys to subscribe and like the video, you know what I mean? Yeah, have a blessed day, people, you know? Yeah.